Sup studs, back on the Midworks channel. Back from college, Christmas break here, so we got about like 4 or 5 weeks I think of Christmas break, so we're gonna have some cool content coming. Got lots of plans, but today we're gonna be doing the walk around the before scene of the Cr125 build, challenge build. So we just got, the challenge was to fix your bike up, whatever you got, fix it up, clean it up, polish it, kind of do a whole rundown of the entire bike, freshen it all up, put some new plastics, graphics. A couple things planned here, but if you want to get a walk around with the bike, it's a 99 Cr125.
Here's the video right here. Posted yesterday.
Yeah, so this is before if you want to get some up close.
Got some cracked plastic there. Let me know if you guys think we should do the Pro Circuit shorty, or we'll put on the turbine core, the FMF. We're gonna start ripping and tearing here, so I'll get back to you in a second. Little update, got the back tire off, sitting right there. Got the chain off. Then I think the next step, take the subframe off, the exhaust, and then the front tire. I noticed I don't have a back boot on this shock, which is this little boot back here. I noticed I don't have, so. This right here, boys, take it. Spring puller. Jeff made it, and who knows when? Take it. We're taking all the plastics, all this kind of stuff, and we're gonna soak them in a hot gallon of water. And just put power in there.
son.
Alright, so there you guys have it. Tore it all down. Here's what it looks like. It's about 2:30 in the morning. Been working all night, plugging away. Had pretty good progress. Got all the pipe nice shined up. Still gonna Scotch Brite that. Got the chain cleaned up, got all the plastics cleaned up. Gonna spray paint some of those because those are kind of janky right there. Still got to do the shock. Don't really know how to do that. All the plastics down here. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Alright, so there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got a lot done on this thing. This is just a teardown video, so we're gonna have more building this thing back up again. Still got some stuff to do, but we'll get to that. So yeah, I got some stuff in the mail coming. New plastics, graphics, like I said. Big plans for this thing. We're kind of going all out on it. It's gonna look pretty sweet at the end. Hope you boys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next couple of videos. We're gonna kind of record the entire thing, going all the way up to the build. It's gonna be a little series on our channel here. So yeah, it should be pretty fun, pretty cool. Learning a lot. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Later.